Tell me, just in a sentence, who you are and where we are.
I'm Dan Scipione, and we're here in Rochester, New York. For Military Warrior Support Foundation. They called and said, we're going to give you a house. We received a phone call asking if we wanted a shed and a golf simulator.
Yeah.
I was like, well, yeah, definitely. And they said, we're going to call you in a couple weeks. And it was like 4 days later, Tuff Shed gave us the call. A full-size golf simulator and
everything to
go with it. You know, the launch monitor, everything. They're setting it full up to pretty much be able to golf anywhere you want, anytime you want, year-round. I mean, it was painless. You know, you just got to watch it go up step by step. It was pretty cool to see that. That was definitely cool.
Wait, the job was set back The funny thing is that...
Think it looks good?
Yeah, I think it's perfect.
I think it's perfect.
Yeah, good job.
They kept it a secret on the inside until today. That was pretty wild. It was way past expectations.
How are you doing today?
It's good. Awesome.
Yeah, so we need everything. We put a felt on, we put a pad on, put a projector, you got a brand new Black Scope Evo Plus. And are you excited to play some balls?
Oh, yeah. Guaranteed.
Yeah.
I want to swing.
You want to swing? If you feel it's too heavy, move it a little lower, like that. Okay?
Yeah.
And then your right hand can be a little closer to you. Like this. Yeah, do it slowly, slowly. That's good. There you go. Wonderful. All right.
It's bad when you stand behind me.
No, you're good. Just don't hit me.
Good.
Carry is 99.7 yards.
Okay, almost a hand.
It's insane, honestly, to watch Tuff Shed build this. I mean, it's huge. And to build it in 2 days, you know, get it up and 3 with the weather and everything, tops. It was here, and then Impact Sports. I mean, the same thing. They got it done a couple days, and now you can golf. It's
year-round.
It was fast. It's so fast.
We're the Scipiones.
And we love our Tuff Shed.